friends, Tux here. For this particular video, we're taking a look at the Redragon M925 Viper mouse. This is a wired mouse, 24,000 DPI, okay, and it is configured to 400, 800, 1600, 2400, and 3200 DPI. Professional software, interesting, and a Euro shape. So very good ergo, very comfortable. Does feature some RGB lighting, and flipping over here, you can see a nice little picture of it. I will have a link for this right below, so be sure and click that link to get yours at the very best price, okay? You can see here in the back, it just shows a couple pictures of it. Looks like the RGB lighting is in full effect. There's a barcode for you, but again, there'll be a link for you right below. Let's go ahead and check this out. Looks like we have a very nice one little quality touch here. I do like Redragon a lot, okay? Check out this nice little like ribbon, like hang tag. Definitely gives it like an interesting like aesthetic if it was hanging on like a store shelf or something, or just kind of like it's welcoming you to open it. It is safety sealed, which is really nice, kind of like a Uber Eats order or something, you know. Let me get a knife and we'll go ahead and open this up. If you game, it's really important to make sure you have a mouse that is good for gaming, okay? A lot of mice out there will do word processing fine and allow you to click pages and print things or whatever, but you really want a nice fast mouse for, you know, clicks per second, especially for playing games like RTS games, like maybe like StarCraft, or even things like World of Warcraft, and, you know, popular games like Fortnite even. It's good to have a good gaming mouse. Now opening this up here, you can see all sorts of little goodies in here. Wow, okay, first off, let's check this out. We have a little, is this a sticker? What is this? Looks like some kind of sticker. Yeah, it's a sticker. And it looks like a Redragon ready for battle. So we got some pictures of like esports stuff going on. Little Redragons. This almost looks like these should peel off. Oh, they do. Okay, nice. So they are stickers, and you can see there's like little stickers you can peel off, and you can stick them on your computer rig or whatever you want. So pretty cool. I'm always down for the stickers. You guys know that. So very cool. And looking at the mouse itself, let's go ahead and pull this out. We have BlizzCon coming up. I'm really looking forward to. It's going to be an awesome convention. Lots of big announcements. Probably Warcraft 2. All right, digging in through here, you can see the cord. You guys know I love new cords with new devices, and Redragon definitely deliver. Check out this beautiful, it feels like a braided cord, though it feels kind of like a cloth cord. It's really a unique kind of softer texture. It does come with a very nice little Redragon Velcro tie here too, so you can kind of cinch up your mouse and make sure it's to the proper length, and they do give you a very generous amount of length as well, so very cool. Let's go ahead and pull the mouse out here and check it out, and oh yes, yeah, Redragon, these guys do such a great job. And this is a really good form factor too. Feels very comfortable in the hand, very good for clicking. And you can see, unlike mice that just have the usual scroll wheel and buttons, we do have some extra buttons here on the side, and a really nice, wow, on this side, I'm really digging this very grippy rubber part by the thumb, so that could be very comfortable for long gaming sessions. So you easily have the up down, but you also have a programmable button here you could use for like some kind of fire, or if you're doing Overwatch, put it on like your big attack or something, you know, so very cool stuff. On the side here, there are spots for your fingers, so really the whole thing feels just really incredibly comfortable. Wow. You know, but I want to plug this in so we can check out the RGB. We'll be right back. Okay, so here we are. We got the lights turned down, and you can see this thing is looking excellent with this RGB. We have the little dragon shining through right there. Two little RGB light sides. Very cool. And of course, the wheel here does change color as well. And much like other mice, this one does allow you to see the color of speed. So each of these colors represents a different speed. And if you have like a favorite, of course, you can just leave it on that color. So you have all pink setup, no problem. You like in the yellow, cool. We got red, blue, everything you want. On the bottom here, there's a little bit of light coming through for the laser. But all in all, most of the lighting is on the top, and not a lot of side lighting, just a little bit you can see kind of shining over here. So very cool. It shows off, has lighting, but it doesn't really do overkill, you know, so very cool. And I think that the important takeaway from this really is the comfort. To recap, this is the Redragon M925 Viper mouse, okay? This is a 2400 DPI mouse, gaming mouse, with a lot of things to love. Takeaways for me, loving the comfort. It feels very good in your hand. Love the fact it's got this little rubbery spot here for your thumb. That's very, very nice. And I love how all the trigger buttons have a different texture to them. One is perfectly smooth. one is rectangle with little dots, and this bottom one here, the targeting button, that one has kind of an angle to it with dots. So you can easily tell what button your finger is on without actually looking down, which is really important. It does allow you to change colors. Everything changes from the side to the dragon to the little wheel up here, along with the speed of the mouse you actually have it set at. So very cool. Love the fact that it's actually got the little side part here for your other fingers. So if you're doing some super long gaming session, it feels really comfortable. So that is definitely a win-win. You know, if you're not comfortable, you're not going to have a good gaming experience. You know, as far as the price goes, this usually goes for about $20 to $30. So it's like really one of the better mice actually for this price range. Some strengths, I would say, definitely are the shape. You know, it's super comfortable. The sensor is good for the price point for sure. Lots of buttons, solid RGB, and it's really affordable too. It's a good mouse that is going to be with you for a while. This brand I've done great with. If you go back in my queue, you can see I've been using their keyboards and mice for years. You know, definitely good. Weaknesses, you know, technically this is not like a true esport mouse. I think Redragon does use some esport sponsorships, but of course there probably is bigger names out there. And then the plastic feels, some people might say the plastic feels a little budget, but I think for me, actually, I think the overall feel of this mouse is really good. It has a good amount of weight to it. It feels a little light, if anything, but the actual mouse itself feels very comfortable, very smooth. You got shiny parts, you have non-shiny parts. There's two buttons up here on the left-hand side, as well as two buttons right here, and left or right mouse click, and of course three on the side there. So you have lots of buttons you can configure and choose from. You know, the cable is really decent. I love the feel of it. It's interesting. It really feels more like a cloth cable than a premium braided cable, but definitely a step up from a basic plastic cable, you know, so loving that. And then one thing kind of weird, it does here say professional software, but in the box, at least in my box, there was no software, you know. It does give you some basic instructions, and I'm sure from the website you can download things, but I kind of wish they gave you like a thumb drive or some kind of physical media with it, so you wouldn't have to go searching for the driver. I can't tell you how many people reach out to me saying, hey Tux, do you have a driver for this XYZ mouse from, you know, years ago or something, you know? And it can be really tricky sometimes finding classic mice drivers, although I will say that Redragon does great for configuring to all the norms. So if you just plug this into a computer straight up, it's just gonna work, you know? And sometimes having too much aftermarket software, some people might just call bloatware, you know, or have problems like you don't want to open your computer, power it on, and you get like 80 million things opening up or whatever. That can be kind of a drag too. So there's pros and cons to, you know, dedicated software. Okay. All right, guys, that's all I got for you. Just want to show off this mouse. This is a great little mouse. We use it here. We do gaming. We have 2 different network stations here that we play on, and multiple laptops and everything else. You guys know our gear. We have a lot of it, and we do go through mice. So we're pretty hard on mice. And Redragon is a brand which I've enjoyed for years, and we continue to buy over and over because we believe in the brand. Okay. All right, friends. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye bye. Click the link.